Is StockX actually a legit website? Let's open this box and find out. What's going on, guys? HunterBusiness here, and today I'm bringing you guys yet another unboxing video. And I'm so excited to open this box. I've been waiting for about a week now to get it. And as you can see in the title, it is from StockX. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. It did come in this box here, which is actually a pretty decent ship box. I think all of the StockX shipment packages do come like this. So let's open this up really quickly. Alright, there. Taped on all four sides. Okay. Right here. That's actually taped pretty good. Alright. Oh wow, there it is. As you guys can see right there, there it is, a 350 cardboard box right there. So take this out, and they're pretty good. Wow, there's no room at all, no wiggle room to get it out. Okay, put that to the side. And here is the box. The box is actually in really good condition as it looks so far. Let's see. Alright, we got the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 size 11 in the gray beet orange. And then that code right there, which looks legit, as you guys can see. On top, we got the 350. And on this side, this Yeezy Boost 350 made by Adidas.com/Kanye. And yeah, let's get right into it. This is actually my first pair of Yeezys. I got it in the, let's see, I'll show you guys in a second. Okay. There's my papers, my receipt right here. Okay. I did pay $425 for these, which I don't think is that bad of a deal. Let's see. Here's my authentic slip right here, signed by, I think it's signed by Josh, CEO of StockX. As you can see on that side. On this side it says just send a picture and show us your authentic tag there, which I'll try to do. I'll try to get them some. Oh wow, there they are, guys. These look good. As you can see, I got it in the Beluga 2.0 colorway. It's got the StockX authentic verified tag right there with I think a code on the back. I'm not sure what that's for. Wow, these look amazing, as you guys can see. The Beluga 2.0s. Let's take a smell test really quick, see how they smell. Oh, they actually smell good. I know a lot of fakes do have a weird like glue kind of smell or whatnot on those. Wow, this prime knit pattern looks amazing. Let's see the stitching really quick. Check the stitching on top. Actually look pretty good. Okay, let's take a feel of the boost on the bottom really quick. A little bit firm, like it should be right there, so you guys can see. It's got that nice boost bottom right there. It looks legit. I got that. Okay, see the inside. The laces look good. See if they've ever been worn or not. There's inside there, as you guys can see. It's got the pattern on the belt. See the stitching right there. This should be 3M. You guys can probably see it since the light is on. That should be 3M right there as well. So we'll see if that pops up too. Everything does look good here. Let's check out the other shoe really quickly. Okay, it's got the Adidas tag right there, as it should. Got the paper shoe trees. Take a look at this one here. As you can see, all Yeezys come with this tag right there as well. See, it looks like it's never been worn. Boost feels good on this side as well. I know StockX has sent out fake sneakers to people. I'm sure it happens once in a blue moon, of course, since they do authenticate probably thousands of sneakers a day. Let's see here. So wow, these look amazing, guys. Not sure why that one wasn't laced like this one. Wasn't the factory lace. Let's see real quick. Actually, you guys can see right there, it wasn't factory laced like the other one was for some reason. As you can see, it doesn't have a knot like this pair does right there. They should have that knot. I'm not sure what's going on with that. Okay, let's see. Everything else does look good. The stitching on the back, if you want to see that. There it is. Let's see here. It does cut off on the back as well. I'm so excited to try these on. Let me see. Let me take the shoe tree out really quick here. Let's see what it looks like inside here. Okay, so we take the insole out and see what it looks like inside. Let's take the insole out for you guys real quick. Okay, let's this. Alright guys, here's the insole. Looks like, I don't think it's ever been tried on before. As you can see right there. And then everything does look pretty good. The Adidas logo looks pretty good. It's got the numbers look embossed pretty well as well. Not like the fakes. So yeah guys, these do look legit. Let's take a look at the stitching inside here too. Let's see. Well, everything does look really good as for what I'm seeing. As you can see, everything does check out pretty well for being authentic. Put the shoe tree back in there. I mean, not the shoe tree, the insole. Okay. Wow, yeah, guys, these are probably my second favorite colorway, the Beluga 2.0s. The first probably would be the zebras, and then this, and then probably the breads. I do like the breads without the stripes. I love those too. I'm not really a fan of the stripes, but I like these a lot because this has this supply 350, which I think means St. Pablo loves you 350. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's what it stands for. As you guys can see, the stitching right here looks pretty good, not like a fake. Usually the fakes are really close together. These are spread out pretty well. I'm about to do some side-by-side shots, of course, to make sure 100%, because I'm having a hard time seeing right now. But from what I see, these do look pretty good. I got the pull tag, the pull tab in the back. My finger fits in there. Okay. Yeah, honestly, guys, these look amazing. I'm not gonna lie. These are nice. Let's smell the other one. Let me smell the other one really quick. See if that checks out. Oh yeah, these smell like legit Yeezys, not like some fake Chinese super glue kind. That's for sure. I think the smell test is the best way to tell as well. They smell authentic. See the in tag right there. I'll show you guys really quick. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but there's the in tag right there, showing the size and whatnot in there. See if it checks out. 11. Same code. Okay. Yeah, guys, everything does look pretty good on these Beluga 2.0s. I'm so excited to rock these. Comment down below what is your favorite Yeezy colorway, and tell me your thoughts on the Beluga 2.0s. And also tell me what kind of Yeezys you do have in your collection there. This is the first in my collection, like I said, and I'm so excited to cop some more to add to my shoe collection, which I do want to show you guys my shoe collection. Comment down below or give the video a like if you do want to see that. I think that'd be a pretty cool video as well. Well, I almost forgot to tell you guys, I got the StockX stickers that they always include in their boxes there as well. And also, I mean, the paper does check out pretty well too. Everything does look good. Let me see here. I'm really confused on why it only came with one shoe tree on this shoe, and it's already laced, kind of. I don't understand. Well, it's actually not really laced. Maybe just forgot to put it in because it just looks like this just got untied and never really retied. I'm not 100% sure about that either. Let me see. I'm not seeing any hair, any lint, or anything inside, so it doesn't nothing. No one put their foot in it. Plus, the Adidas logo inside isn't rubbed away either, which usually that would rub away if you do put these on and try them out. Let's see. Those do look good. Let's see something else over here. Okay. So yeah, guys, everything does check out pretty well here. I'm gonna give StockX a big thumbs up because that is a pretty good website to cop all the shoes if they are legit like they seem to be. So definitely buy shoes from StockX. I haven't ordered from Goat, so comment down below if you have ordered from Goat as well. Tell me your thoughts on it. I might try that out as well, make a video about Goat. If I decide to do that, I will upload that as well. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna do one on foot for you as well to give you show you guys what these look like on foot. So give the video a big like if you liked it, subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Later. Thank you.